Hi, I'm Jay. I'm with MAXHUB. I'm here at the E4 event for Exertis Almo, and I'm here to showcase some of the products that we're having. Our latest product is our new Microsoft MTR Room Bundle. Comes with a 10.1-inch touchscreen, and it comes with our control panel. This will allow you to convert any existing room into an MTR Team certified room. You can also expand it out into different packages that will allow you to add a soundbar and mic and camera, or you can actually expand it even further with an external camera and an external speaker and mic system as well. This will allow you to add to an existing room or convert a new room into a full MTR certified room. This is designed with Microsoft. With us, we built product in-house, but with Microsoft's demand and what they were looking for a product. So everything here is going to be built by us with Microsoft's certification and with Microsoft's expectations on what they were looking for a product.